Hey, good day guys. I've got this retractable clothesline here. It's from Gorilla Line Max. It's got a maximum length of 16.4 feet. It effortlessly retracts in seconds. It's got a secure heavy-duty lock, easy to install, and it's good for indoor or outdoor. This thing works really simple. First of all, here's everything that came with the box. Securing screws, the main unit itself, the attachment piece here. How this works is, see it's locked right now. But if you push up on this piece will come all the way out, 16 feet. Now once it's out, you attach this piece on the opposing post or location, and then you just pop it in there like that. Just like that. And then you can tighten it too once it's hooked up. Tighten it and then lock it, and it won't move. Let's go install this thing. So now to get this piece off the front there's a couple of clips right there. So you just take a knife or something small. I got a little set of trimmers here. Let's go ahead and pop that down into there. Pop that down into there and pop it loose. Okay, you just kind of lightly pry it loose. So you got this here. Okay, now that you have the cover off this, you're going to take 4 of these. Go ahead and mount them to where you want, 1 in each corner. And I went ahead and held it up and pre-drilled my holes. There we go, got the first 2 up. I need to go ahead and drill and screw the bottom 2 here. Now I take this piece and just snap it back in there. And this piece just snaps right in there too. There we go. When you want to use it, push that up, pull your clothesline out, and it retracts too. Okay, now it'll be the same for this piece. If you flip this over, you'll see there's a couple notches right there. Take a little screwdriver and pop this back piece out, and then we'll mount it. Okay, there's our mounting piece. And then you just take this and slap it right over there, and it presses on there. Just take that, pop it in there. Now you got your clothesline. Now you can go to the other side and tighten it. All right, now the last step, lock it in, and you can tighten it up. You can hear it click. Tighten it up so you got as much tension on there, or it won't go anymore. Hang your hats around it. Really nice to have a clothesline out here. It's going to save us a bunch of money on electricity. And it'll smell really fresh like the outdoors. Perfect for summer. If you can use this year round, that'd be great too. Here we go. You can hang your shoes and shirts and hats and blankets from it too. Really happy with this thing. Thank you for watching, everybody.